Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0456 Evaporative Emission System leak detected. Let's conduct a process of elimination. Let's start with the simplest thing you can check. So the first thing I recommend checking is for a bad gas cap seal. So when you remove the gas cap, there's going to be a seal on it. And it is important for the seal to be 100% functional, and there should be no cracks, and it should not be split or torn. If you notice any cracks or the gas cap seal is torn, you should replace the seal, or you could just replace the gas cap that's going to come with a seal. If you're going to buy an aftermarket gas cap, make sure the gas cap is fitting properly on the filler neck, because one thing I noticed that if it's not fitting properly on the filler neck and is not sealing all the way, it can actually cause that code to stay on. The next thing I recommend checking is for a bad purge valve solenoid. If that purge valve solenoid is stuck in the open position, it is going to cause a leak in the evap system. So that purge valve solenoid should only open up at a certain time, and it is commanded by the computer. So again, that purge valve solenoid should always be in a closed position, and it should only open up when the computer tells it to open up. The next thing I recommend checking is going to be the evap line going to the purge valve solenoid. Make sure the line going to it is not cracked or split. If you look at this line right here, you can see it is cracked. So you have to replace this evap line. And if you look on the other side, the evap line is split. And of course, if the evap line is cracked or split, it can trigger that code, because now it is going to cause a leak in the system. Next, make sure the evap line is not loose or disconnected. Sometimes when you're doing engine work, you might accidentally pull a evap hose, and sometimes it might be dangling like this, and of course it is going to cause performance issue, because now there's going to be a vacuum leak. The next part I recommend checking, it is going to be the charcoal canister. So the charcoal canister is going to be located very close to the fuel tank or gas tank, and sometimes this charcoal canister can become damaged because it is exposed to the element. Since the charcoal canister is located underneath the vehicle, an object such as a rock or anything can hit the charcoal canister and it can cause damage to it. And it can create a small crack on it, or it can cause the charcoal canister to somewhat split and fall apart. And when that happens, it is going to cause a large leak in the evap system, and you're going to notice gas fume when you're driving. If you check the gas cap, you check the purge valve solenoid, you check the charcoal canister, you check the evap lines, and there's no issue at all, you might actually have a bad vent valve solenoid. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.